I've scaled multiple brands with this one ecom strategy I call AI personas. And this strategy makes marketing in ecom so simple that it doesn't matter, even if you're slightly retarded, because we are about to take all the guesswork out. So in today's video, I will reveal the exact 3-step framework that I use to create winning ads on an assembly line. It all boils down to finding winning personas and not winning angles or winning products like every other guru is preaching. And using these 3 very simple steps, you can find winning personas in minutes with AI. So the first is streamline your data about a broader audience. The second is setting up a custom interactive AI persona. And the third is narrowing it down over time. Now here's the thing, when I first started in ecom years ago, it was really hard to find hands-on learnings how to scale brands. But that was before everyone started sharing their learnings online. So if you want to get more hands-on ecom insights daily, make sure to follow me on YouTube. Look, the majority of brand owners are stuck in 2019. They're all split testing random interests, they're all blatantly copying competitor ads, they're still chasing winning products like it's a gold rush. But here's what they don't understand. The game has completely changed. The only thing that matters now is understanding exactly who buys and why they buy at a psychological level. And AI just handed us the cheat code to do this at scale. So they're only winning people, not winning products. While everyone is using AI to write random copies directly, I use it to find winning people. So how do we find these winning people in a matter of minutes? Let me show it to you step by step with a competitive example. Electrolytes. So first of all, we're creating 5 Google documents called goals, pain points, fears, prejudice, and horror stories. So once you have created your 5 Google documents, you go on Reddit Answers, that's basically Reddit's AI tool, and ask specific questions. The first question about the goals is, what are the goals of people buying electrolytes? Or in your case, your product. You shoot the question to the Reddit AI and you get a full summary, basically like ChatGPT, of different subreddits and different posts. Now, in order to preserve the natural language that each Redditor has used while posting it, we click on those blue hyperlinks, they open here, then we copy paste everything that is here and also on the second hyperlink, the third hyperlink, etc. We copy and paste everything on this Reddit AI answer and paste it into our goals document. You rinse and repeat this for pain points, prejudices, fears, and horror stories. You can even change up the questions. For example, you can type in a different variation of what are the goals when you have an electrolyte craving. What's important is that you collect as much data as possible about the goals, the pain points, etc. So you have a full, very lengthy Google document with natural language of the people in the niche that you want to sell to. And again, don't summarize these answers. Don't clean it up. Just copy and paste these texts raw. Why? You're capturing their exact language, so the words they use at 2 a.m. when their credit card is out, their hidden objections, their secret desires, their irrational prejudices that make them dismiss products instantly. This is why I can enter any saturated market and print money. Where everyone else is fighting over features and objections and prices, I'm inside my customer's head writing ads that feel like I'm reading the diary, because we actually are in a weird way. So now that you understand why we needed data, let me show you the second step that actually turns this data into a money printing machine. Because having the data is one thing, but what we do next separates the wannabes from the winners. So now we open Claude and upload all of those 5 documents that you prepared earlier into a custom Claude project and give it this master prompt. You can see it here and also in the Google Doc. It's quite long, but don't worry, I put it into the comments so you can just copy and paste it. So now we are in Claude. I just created a personal project. I'm gonna call it Electrolytes Default ICP and create the project. In here in Files, you're gonna now upload the 5 documents that we created earlier. So the fears, the goals, the horror stories, pain points, and the prejudices. So once uploaded, you add under instructions your big master prompt that I showed earlier. Once you've copy and pasted it, just save it So now that we've uploaded the 5 documents we created earlier and attached the master prompt, we can do anything with Claude. It's basically a direct look into our customer's brain because we uploaded the raw data from Reddit. I went ahead and earlier did some research into the electrolyte niche and found a video, this one. I'm copying the transcript right now, pasting it in Claude, and now I can chat about this ad script and ask Claude to make it better. Please improve the ad script and tell me what is bad about it. Now Claude has all the data about your ICP and can dissect the ads and improve them for you. You can now use this as your master brain of your company and upload any questions in regards to marketing. And Claude, using the data you collected from Reddit, can give you a perfect answer, directly looking into the psychology of your customer. Down the road, you can ask all types of questions, like why would you choose this competitor over my brand? What would be an adequate pricing? And so on. You can literally text with your ideal customer 24/7. Now, looking back to our Figma board, the last step is narrowing down the audience and creating multiple AI personas as Claude projects. You can now layer your personas with different characteristica to get it more specific. A persona that is 50 plus years old has a different lingo, feelings, desires, experiences than the average broader audience. So you can make sub-AI models, more specific AI models for 50 plus years old, from the UK, athlete, whatever it is. So you get a specific AI persona for an athlete that is interested in electrolytes, somebody from the UK that is interested in electrolytes, somebody that's 50 plus years old that may not use it for sports reason, but rather because they have a depletion of certain electrolytes. So there are different use cases, different people talking about their goals, pain points, etc. So you can learn on Reddit with their exact language, with this flow, and create different AI personas and chat with them. So here are the 3 main things to keep in mind. If you think you're at a 10 out of 10 level of implementation of this AI persona system, you're usually only at a 3 out of 10. Most people will watch this, create one persona, maybe ask it a few questions, and then go back to guessing. The winners will create 10 personas, ask 100 questions, and iterate until they can predict customers' responses before even launching an ad. Second, the market rewards speed, not perfection. While you're perfecting your first persona, someone else already launched, failed, learned, and is now profitable. Get your first persona up in 20 minutes or less with this tutorial, and not in 2 weeks like other people teach you. Third, if you're not emotionally uncomfortable with how well you know your customer, you don't know them well enough. You should know their fears better than a therapist, and their desires better than their spouses, and their language better than their best friend. This isn't just about making money, though you will make disgusting amounts of it. This is about psychology, the real marketing.